Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make miso soup with soybean paste. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need dashi stock, your preferred miso paste either white or red, some silken tofu, and fresh scallions. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple approach ensures a delicious and authentic bowl every time, perfect for a quick meal or a comforting side dish. Now, let's prepare the dashi and tofu. Gently heat about 4 cups of dashi stock in a medium pot over low to medium heat. It's important not to let it come to a rolling boil. While the dashi warms, carefully cut 1 block of silken tofu into small, half-inch cubes. Also, thinly slice 2 green onions. These will add a fresh, crisp finish to your soup. The key to great miso soup is how you add the paste. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of your chosen miso paste and dissolve it in a small amount of warm dashi from the pot. This prevents clumps and ensures even distribution. Once dissolved, gently stir the miso mixture into the main pot with the dashi and tofu. Remember, never boil the soup after adding miso, as it can diminish its delicate flavor. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious homemade miso soup. Carefully ladle the warm soup into individual bowls, making sure each serving gets a good mix of tofu and broth. Garnish generously with the freshly sliced green onions for a burst of color and a hint of fresh flavor. This simple, comforting soup is ready to enjoy. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.